these are my tires for my 2001 Toyota Tacoma for India. And these are just tires that I'm putting on to drive around with until she is completely ready to have new shoes. But I kind of like this. I kind of like these tires. So if I'm finding that these tires don't give me any problems and I'm driving around with them, I'm just gonna keep them. Maybe I'll find some smaller tires so that I don't always have these aggressive tires on her. But to tell you the truth, I kind of like that aggressive look. And I'm going for an off-road look. So the truth is, who gives a shit? There you go, cursing again. YouTube is never gonna let me make any money off my videos. Every time you curse, apparently they demonetize it. They keep making money off of it, but you don't. And I don't know that I'm ever gonna make money off of YouTube because it's so freaking difficult. They make it impossible. You know? Unless I get like a video where everybody subscribes and everybody clicks likes, then and it goes viral, then maybe I'll start making some money, which I will reinvest into everything I do on YouTube. I'll make awesome videos, professional quality videos. I'll get a videographer, somebody that can make the videos and edit them for me. That's gonna be so cool if I ever get to that level. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy what I always have done. And at least now I can videotape them and enjoy them. And by the way, thank you for everybody that subscribed to my videos. I have like 55 subscribers now. And in like 2 months, I've placed like 200 videos just to build a channel. And once I build that channel, you know, I'm just putting everything I can. I'm videotaping everything and putting it on. Once I build that channel, you know, I plan to like do really cool stuff with my Land Cruiser and my Tacoma. And maybe I could do a video with my friend Pito, who that guy is like a freak when it comes to cars. And by freak, I mean his ability. I've never seen anybody that has that ability with cars. I mean, on YouTube, I've seen people that are very talented and do crazy ass things. But me personally, I don't have somebody in my life except for him. And he's the one that I see do some crazy stuff with cars. And then maybe I could do another video with Art. And Art's like a master mechanic. And he works on BMWs, and he knows everything about BMWs. He's got like 6 or 7 BMWs right now. And since I've known him, I don't even know how many BMWs he's had and fixed up and restored and painted. And again, he doesn't do it for money. He does it because it's his hobby. And I've asked him before, hey Art, why don't you just like fix these up and sell them? He goes, Louis, because if I did that, then it becomes a job. And then I'm not loving it. And I got enough shit going on in my life. I go cursing again. And I got all the crap in my life that I have to do. And this is just something that I love to do. And I totally understand it because I'm the same way. I mean, I love to buy cars and drive around with them. And I don't restore them. I've restored 1 or 2 or 3 cars, but I just do the maintenance and I fix up whatever's wrong with them. And I just enjoy driving around with them. That's what I enjoy. And let's say I put $5,000 into a car. And that's just me saying. I don't know how much I put into a car. But let's say I buy a car for $2,000 and it costs me $2,000 to fix it up. It doesn't. It's usually more than that. And then it costs me another $1,000 in insurance, which is more than that. And then it costs me another $1,000 in gasoline, which is more than that. And then everything else that I do to the car. But then I sell it. Let's say I got like $6,000-$7,000 into a car. And if I sell it for $6,000, which is what I have into it, I don't care if the car is worth $15,000. Yeah, I would like to get $15,000, but that doesn't happen. There's hundreds and thousands of people selling cars, and they do that for a living. So if I end up making $1,000 off of a car that I have driven and enjoyed, I am more than happy, because that's $1,000 that I'm going to be able to put into another car. And it's not my job, and I don't need the money from that car. I need the money from my job to live. Like if I gotta flip a house, that's a business. This is a passion. And these tires, this is just getting them a little bit cleaned up. Because obviously that's not really clean. But I don't really care. Because to me, they look awesome. And for now, they are clean enough. I'm sweet enough. To me, these things are ready to be installed. I'm not at that point yet. When I install them, I'm going to make a video of it. And I'm going to get rid of those really bald tires. I mean, geez, I've never seen tires that bald. The last person that has this car is lucky that they didn't have a major accident with it. Because that is some scary ass shit. There I go cursing again on the video. YouTube is going to unmonetize it eventually someday. I don't have anything for tires right now, but I have this that is for plastic. It's a Supreme Shine High Gloss Protectant Extra Shine. So whatever, I'm just gonna use this for now. I don't give a shit. This is that Gojo thing, that hand degreaser. I find this thing amazing. This thing like cleans everything. And it's biodegradable, and it's made with oranges, and it's really good. So if I have something stubborn, sometimes I will use it. And this is something stubborn. And I always protect my stuff. I'm really good at protecting my stuff. So for now, I'm just going to put this stuff on it. I don't care if it's not supposed to be on there. It's going to help it from the sun. It's made for rubber. Eventually, Rafael in Ocala is going to make my truck look brand new. And until I get it to him, this is good enough. So anyway, those are India's high heels. And I appreciate everybody watching. I would love to get some subscribers in there, please. Help me build my channel. Thank you.